Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo C310. When you have this red light flashing, right? Or the red LED flashing, and it's not connecting. You see here, then you have this message tap to refresh, and it's not working. Usually that's related to the internet. The first thing that you can try is just restart your router. Basically, when the router comes back, the camera has a time to connect to the router again, because the camera is trying to do this right now. And if that doesn't work, then you can go to the second step, which is reset the camera. So let's just start here with the router. As you can see, I have the main router here from Xfinity, and then I have a repeater, and the camera is connected to this repeater. And you see here that the LED is off, so it's stuck for some reason. So I'm going to just disconnect here from power. I just remove the cable, and then I connect back, and I wait for it to boot up. And I can do the same with my main router because my repeater depends on the main router, right? So just go there, unplug and plug it back and wait for it to come up, and then you just observe your camera again to see if it fixes the problem. And later, if it doesn't, then you can reset your camera, okay? So let's just observe here when it comes to a steady LED, and then you can take a look at the camera as well. Okay guys, here you go. You see that's no longer flashing, so it's steady. Our LED is steady here, so my router is good to go. And taking a look here at the camera, I see the LED stopped flashing, but it's still red, and now you see it changes to green, okay? So that was the problem. The internet was not available to the camera, and then the camera could connect to the router after the restart, okay? You can also restart the camera. Here you have this connector, okay, to the power supply. You can just disconnect and connect it again. So those are the first things that you need to try, right? Restart your router and also restart the camera. If that doesn't work, you still have the red LED there, then you need to restart your camera. So basically what I have to do is just come here, open here, and reach the reset button, okay? So here you just need to use a Phillips screwdriver, remove here this cover, and then here you're gonna see this small button. That's the reset button. You just need to use a paper clip because it's too small. Even with the fingernail, it's hard to reach, right? Then you're gonna press and hold for 10 seconds to restart the camera and connect and set up again, okay? Let's say it's still red here. It's not my case, but just an example. You just need to come here, press and hold for 10 seconds, and you're gonna see here the LED flashing pretty fast. And then it's going to completely restart, completely reset the camera and erase all the configuration. If you don't want to lose the configuration, you can try first the partial reset, which is just hold here for 5 seconds, and then you're gonna see the LED flashing here slowly. So let's just do this. Hit here and count until 5. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let it go. This is a slow pacing, right? And you see that's now flashing red and green, so the camera is ready for the setup again. It's a partial reset. It's going to keep the configuration. So let me just come here back to the Tapo app, and from here I can add the camera again. You just need to ignore this one. It's here, but it's not working anymore because you see here that's red and green. And then just come here to the plus signal, add a new device, and select here outdoor camera. Go down until you find Tapo C310, wireless, next, already red and green. Here you just need to connect your cell phone directly to the camera. So you just need to look for Tapo_cam, you see here, right? Come here to your Wi-Fi signal and look for this one. It's gonna load up here, you see it? And sometimes it just keep skipping position here. So just be careful to just find the Tapo cam. Select this one. Then you come back to the app, okay? From here, you're gonna see this animation. So the camera is connecting to the cell phone, and then the cell phone can tell the camera which Wi-Fi to connect to. You see here, it's a pre-configured device because it just partially reset for 5 seconds. Then you can just keep the existing settings. Now you can choose the network to connect to. I don't see my network here. Remember that I need to use a 2.4 gigahertz network. I will just click here, rescan. Wait for it to rescan again. There we go. Now I see a list of Wi-Fi's here, Wi-Fi router. Mine is this one, so I just select this one. Here's my password. I just hit next, next again. There we go. The setup is complete. It sounds good. Here is the 30-day trial. I'm gonna dismiss this. And I have a Tapo hub here in the network. Usually the camera finds it. If you don't have it, don't worry, I will just set it up later. And here I have my SD card, and it's good, right? It's basically working. I'm just put this box here, point the camera there so you can see if it's working, and you can see something interesting back there, right? There we go. So I just tap here, and you see that's working. A little bit of latency, but that's normal for the camera, okay? It's basically working. So I hope that helps. That's the way basically that you can have a fix for the Tapo C310 with the red LED flashing or the static or the steady LED when it's red, right? I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.